so you don't kick me. How often do you train?
Well, right now I'm in school, so
Yeah.
usually I train like 5 times a week, but lately it's been like 3, 4.
Yeah.
But I compete about maybe 5 times a year.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah.
So I've been doing it for over 10 years now.
No way.
Yeah.
How'd you get into it?
Honestly, my ex-boyfriend, well, he was an MMA fighter, so he got me into jiu-jitsu, and
That's crazy.
I just fell in love with the sport and never stopped.
Sure. Back a little bit, it's gonna elongate the spine, gap some of these joints for you, and it should feel pretty good. You're a little tight along the spine, so you can feel my thumb kind of tracing your spine. That's just to help loosen up these muscles as we bend you. Do you feel a little stretch?
I love it.
Okay. No pain, right?
No.
Okay. But again, my hand's always gonna go to the top here and then come back down. If it's too much at any point, please say something.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How long have you been working here?
I opened the practice a little over 5 years ago.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's been fun.
You guys have a huge following.
It took a lot of time and effort, and we have a good team, so it's grown pretty well.
Do you usually work with athletes or?
Yeah, I would say that makes the majority. We have a very young practice, so our average patient's 25 to 35.
Yeah.
I'd say it's half finance and half fitness. And a lot of Broadway thrown in there too.
A lot of what?
A lot of dancers, Broadway.
Oh.
Woodwork. I'm gonna bend this top leg. You're gonna feel my hand on your low back. I'm gonna turn you slightly, excuse me. I'm gonna take both your arms, you'll be just like that. So what would happen? This would lower, my leg's gonna be on yours, my hand's gonna be right here. I'm gonna have you breathe in, breathe out. I'm gonna rotate you and give you a little hit like that. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Any questions for me?
No.
Is it okay if we do it?
Sure.
Take a deep breath and just breathe out. Good. Other side, please. What are you going on today?
I just finished training a client. I'm gonna train jiu-jitsu after this. And that's the work there.
Deep breath. Breathe out. Let it fall. Not so bad?
No.
This is Martin Gym, Brown 30 bed right over here.
There's a fitness gym here. That's the problem with that.
Yeah.
I used to work there.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. It's like on 27.
Yep. So, I'm going to show you the neck, okay? We're not going to do it yet. So, for you, we would be here. We would be here.
Mm-hmm.
And I would turn you. Is that okay?
Yeah.
You just relax. Good. Breathe. Just relax this. Easy. Not so bad. So, for your mid back, we're going to take both your arms. So, you're going to hug yourself like this. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to rotate you, come back, give you a little push. Is that okay? Any questions? Cool if we do it. Take a deep breath. And breathe out, let it fall, drop. Easy. Not so bad. Come with me. Come sit up.
Long time ago, like years ago.
Alright. Today is the day.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna have you turn your head to your left, please. And then go straight down towards your armpit. You're gonna feel me move this a little bit, is that okay? Okay. So, the whole point of scraping is just to try to loosen up some of these superficial muscles here. With you, you're a little stiff in the shoulders, so this is a nice way to help loosen this up. If it's too much, please say something. Okay, I want to have you turn your head to your right, please.
Do you know where to move?
Oh, no, you're fine.
Okay.
Your right side, definitely more tight than left.
Really?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
So I want you to look straight ahead. You're gonna hug yourself, and then bring your head straight down for me, please. So, okay. You're gonna feel this a little bit more. So when you hug yourself, it pulls the shoulder blades out of the way. So it usually exposes this musculature here. So if it's a little more sensitive, that's why. Alright, it's good for you. Almost done. Breathe. Is that okay? You're gonna just like that. So what would happen? This leg would lower. My hand would be here. I'm gonna rotate you. Give you a hit like that.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yep.
Not so bad? No. Questions for me?
No.
It's okay
As
if
soon
you
as you twisted, that's exactly where that stiff. I was like,
I got you.
there it goes.
Take a deep breath. And just breathe out. Let this fall. That was over.
That was it. I felt that.
Other side. I think the other people across the hall felt it.
Yeah, no, that one helps them. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I got you. Take a deep breath. And breathe out. Perfect. Lay on your back, please. Good. Good. Excuse me a second. So, I just want to remind you, okay? So, we're going to be here. We're going to be here. And I'm going to turn you. Is that okay? Any questions? Is it okay if we do it? Take a deep breath and relax. Good. Relax. Drop this. Perfect. Not so bad?
Nope.
Feel good?
Yep.
You take both your arms. You're going to hug yourself and just turn around you again. We're going to rotate, come back, give you a little push. Deep breath. And just breathe out. Let this fall. Beautiful. Not so bad?
Not at
Comes it
all.
up. Okay, so we're going to start on this right side for you, okay? So I'm going to put your arm behind your back. Okay, and you relax just like that, okay? So, a little lotion here just makes it a little bit easier. So you can feel my hand on the front of your shoulder, and we're going to be here. So, just like that. A lot of people, this always gets really tight, so it's a nice way to kind of loosen it up. This muscle, it's like hard to stretch on your own, but if you do like bend over row, stuff like that, that's always a good way to loosen this up. And it gets really sensitive, but you're just a little bit tight here. If it's too much, please say something. 2 more. Last one. Stay there. Should we dig into this one spot? 2 more. Last one. Breathe. Not so terrible.
No.